Hello friends, this is Bhunesh Muta from Easy Photo Edit and welcome to this special episode where I'm going to show you how you can create your favorite emoji in a Photoshop document. But before we do that, please make sure that you're using Photoshop CC 2017 or above for this feature. I'm currently using Photoshop CC 2019, so I'm good to go. To create an emoji, please go to your Tools panel and from there select Horizontal Type tool. With that selected, click anywhere on your document screen and you can see it autofills with this text which is called Lorem Ipsum. If you guys don't know what Lorem Ipsum is a placeholder text which helps you to get a visual representation of your current font without creating meaningful content. So to create this text, let me just click on the check mark and now go to my options bar and click on my font name. And now let me just manually enter EMO and you can see a drop down of two fonts matching this text criteria, and I want to select the first font, which is EmojiOne color. The moment I click on this, you can see two things happening. One, my text is gone. It has been replaced with these rectangular boxes with an X mark. And second, you see this Glyphs panel. So let me just move my Glyphs panel on the side. And in case if you're on older version of Photoshop and you don't see this Glyphs panel, let me just close that and show you how you can get that manually by going to the window menu and from there Glyphs. Click on that and it opens your Glyphs panel. Let me select my Glyphs panel and merge it on the side. So now let me select my text again, which is not visible because it doesn't have those alphabets in them, and let me scroll down to my font, which is EmojiOne, and here you can see there are many symbols, different kinds of emojis. So let me click my favorite ones, which is the one with sunglasses, the one with... So before I do that, let me just move my cursor towards the right, and now let me click on the other emojis which I really like and the one with this zipper mouth. In case if you're as bad as me in not remembering these emoji names, you can hover your mouse on any of these emojis and it'll tell you its name. So in this case, this one is the money mouth face. So let me click on that. Who doesn't want money? And let me click on this check mark to create this emojis. If you really like this, let me show you another cool trick where you can create these colorful emojis into black and white. And to do that, let me just click on them and move them on the side and go to my layers panel, and let me duplicate this text layer by clicking and dragging to my new layer, which will create a copy of my existing layer. Right now you don't see any changes because they are overlapping each other. So with my move tool selected, let me click on this emoji and drag it down. And now you can see two emojis similar to each other, and this one, the copy emoji, I'm gonna convert it to black and white. And to do that, let me show you there are two ways or even more, but I'm aware of two ways of doing that, which is go to your type menu and from there convert to shape, or you can even right click on your layer and you have an option to convert to shape. So let me click on that and it converts my colorful emojis to black and white. How cool is that? If you think this is cooler, let me show you something even more magical. So let me delete both of these emoji layers. And this time, let me select my horizontal type tool and click anywhere on my screen. Again, it creates the dummy text, which is right now not there in this particular font. And let me scroll down to my EmojiOne Font and let me see if I can see some other emojis, interesting ones. I like this one. Let me just hover my mouse and let us see what it describes. It's a happy person raising one hand. Fine, this looks good to me. Let me double click on that and click on my cursor over here. With that selected, let me just go down and you can see these colorful circles from light to dark. Now this is where the magic happens. With your cursor next to your emoji, just go down. Just go down till the place where you see all these different circles with color and click on that. Basically it's a skin type. So if I click on that, this particular emoji will get a darker skin tone. Let me double click on that and straight away, voila, you can see my emoji has changed from a yellow color to a darker skin tone. And how do I change that to a lighter skin tone? You would think, okay, let me double click on the lighter skin tone, and it doesn't work. This was pretty confusing for me when I did that for the first time, but let me show you how you can do it in the right way. Just hit backspace on your keyboard one time and do that one more time, and the moment I do that one more time, you can see your emoji changes its color back to how it was. So now you can click on the lighter skin tone, double click on that, and it changes its color to a lighter skin tone. This is so damn cool. With that selected, let me just scale my emoji by going to Edit, Free Transform, and scale this up. Instead of hands up, see ya guys. See you next time. Thank you. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and comment on the video below with your favorite emoji. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such cool tips. Thank you guys. See you next time.